Take that! Go home, kids!
Sota, watch out! Ran into some ill-mannered delinquents at the campground.
Feels so good to be out in nature.
What a beautiful weather.
Yeah, this is gonna be so much fun.
Yeah, I got tons of supplies. I even got us some marshmallows. Let's make some s'mores.
Sounds fun.
Oh, and don't forget to put on sunscreen and bug spray. I got some organic stuff right here.
He thought of everything. I'm Yurika Mito. Today I was out camping with my childhood friend, Sota Shishihara, and our friend Mocha. Sota was a killer chef. He was so amazing. But back in middle school, he used to be a bad boy. He even took out an entire rival gang all by himself. Oh, look at his outfit. So cute.
Yurika, can you hold the other side?
Sure.
Wow, look at that.
I'll sleep in the small tent. You two can sleep in there.
Thank you, Sota.
Thank you.
Oh, and check this out. Ta-da! I put up some decorations. You like it?
Oh, wow, that's amazing. It's like a real house in there.
Woo! This place looks awesome!
Charasugi, set up the tent. I'm tired.
Okay. Come on, Bakamusawa! Alright!
They look like trouble.
Yeah, just stay away from them.
Yeah, just ignore them.
We'll be fine. Come on, let's go.
Ill-mannered delinquents.
Ha!
Ha!
Wow, you're both so good. Go, go, go!
Yurika, you're so good.
You too, Sota.
Hey, the curry's almost ready.
Looks delicious.
The rice is almost ready too.
Sota, I brought some salad. What do you think?
That looks, good. Here, let me just make some adjustments.
Thanks, Sota. Yummy. Oh, this is delicious, Sota.
Yeah, so good.
Good to hear. The secret ingredient is coffee.
Go! Keep going! Woo! Come on, Garumi! Parimi! Keep going!
Bahakamisawa, keep going.
What's going on over there?
Is that safe?
Not sure. I'll go talk to them.
Sota, I'll come with you.
Wait, don't leave me here.
Hey, could you guys keep it down and go easy on the fire?
What did you say to me, kid?
Yeah, get out of here.
The fire is too big. What if the forest catches on fire?
Yeah, you gotta be careful. What? You guys worry too much.
Yeah, shut up! Go away!
There are other people here. You're bothering everyone.
You talking back to me now? Huh?
I'm just saying.
I get it. You want to show off in front of your girlfriends, don't you?
That's so cute.
Get out of here, kid!
Oh, Sota, you okay?
How old are you anyways? Get lost, loser!
That's enough.
Got him!
You okay?
What's your problem? That's dangerous.
Chill out! It's just some fireworks. Get lost, losers!
Get them! Go!
Ah!
I'm scared.
Fighting back.
The tents might catch on fire.
What now? Wait, I know.
Sota, what are you gonna do?
Yurika, here.
Got it.
Go on, get out of here!
Yeah, get lost.
Go, go!
Mocha, watch out!
What the? Did he just deflect a firework with that racket? Come on, let's keep shooting!
Yurika, ready?
Yeah.
Be careful, you two!
Mocha, get back!
We got this.
What the?
Wow, that's amazing.
Fine then, let's see how you like this! Time to blow them up!
Master, watch out!
Sota!
I got this.
What the? No way! It's coming back!
Uh-oh.
No way!
Ah! Fire! Fire! Call 911! Hot! Hot! Help!
Here.
Arrested.
Everything okay here? What happened?
Well,
It was them! They set the place on fire for fun! Yeah! We put out the fire just in time!
what?
What are you saying? That was all you!
Yeah, stop lying!
Shut up! It was all you! Is this true?
No, it was them.
Stop lying! They're lying! I saw the whole thing, officer. It was all them. These kids were just trying to stop them.
See? I told you.
He's lying! I got some photos too. So, you lied to me? You're coming with me. No! No! Let me go!
Thank you, sir.
Of course. Thank you for stopping them. Looks like you were telling the truth. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, I'm just glad nobody got hurt.
Master, look at this!
Wow, roasted marshmallows. Nice.
It was the fire from the fireworks.
Yay! Come on, let's eat. Oh, yummy.
So Sota saved the day again. Oh, Sota, you're amazing. And adorable.
Please subscribe.
Hey, stop fooling around.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe.